Good morning, everybody. So today I'm going to make myself breakfast. Nolan went to work already really early this morning. I'm up. I might as well get dressed and make myself breakfast because I'm hungry. So the last time I tried to cook in here, I almost burnt the place down by just cooking bacon. I don't really know how to cook, so we're about to figure this out. You can't see the mess, but I'm in the kitchen. The magic food area. So what do we want today? I'm making pancakes. And in the morning, I'm making pancakes. Pancake mix. Throw some of that deliciousness in there. Time for some water. Be right back. So I whipped myself up some pancake batter. Pancake? Did I say pancake? And anybody who ever knows me, when it comes to being in the kitchen or, you know, anything, I always make messes. Always. But at least in this case, the cleanup's fun. Yeah. Wow. And this might be the part where I burn the house down. Who knows? We'll see. It's gonna be an adventure. Let's try this. Alright, so we got that all going. Let's throw some butter. Boop. It's just for me. I can touch it with my fingers. Fight me. Do you hear that? Listen to it. Sizzle. Yes. Now that my pancakes have been sitting a little while, it's time to do the reveal of the backside. The fun side. Booyah! Welcome to David's kitchen. Spanking. I got pancake skills. Apparently the cat wants something in that cupboard. Boop. And while I'm waiting on my pancakes, might as well be a good time to get out some eggs, some huevos. I'm not really a fan of eggs. I'm only gonna have one, but that's okay. One egg will do for me. I'm gonna close that back up, and we're gonna call you. Alright, so now that both pancakes are done, it's time to move on to the bacon. And this is the scary part. Because, well, let me just show you real quick. I don't eat regular bacon. I don't like regular bacon. I know, it's terrible. Not really, whatever. So I eat this. Yeah, I know, it looks disgusting, but it's vegetarian bacon. I work with what I can get. Anyway. It's red. First off, it's red. So, what are we gonna do? And it burns easy. Last time I cooked, it turned black. And this entire apartment was so smoky. We'll see how this one goes. We're gonna throw some of my fakin' bacon on. I promise, that was the bag. Yeah, got my egg, got my perfect. Let's do this. Flip. Oh my god, we lost one. Oh, he's back. You cannot escape my pan. Blah! And while I'm waiting for those, don't look at my sink. Okay. Get out my glass of milk. for my breakfast. And I usually don't drink dairy milk, but we're out of almond milk. So whatever, here we go. Doesn't that just look nice? Use a glass. I do what I want, I'm an adult. And we're done with that. Now comes to the hard part. I am not good at eggs at all. Like, I'm really not. And this is the thing. Cooking is like, you know, video games. You got level 1, which is like the little mini boss. It's pancakes. Easy, kill it, move on. Then you got number 2, the second boss, which is this bacon. As long as you don't burn it, it's delicious. And then you have the main boss, eggs. They hard. I don't care what anybody says. Because if you do it wrong, you're gonna get some salmonella. I'm just okay. That was dumb. I'm gonna make eggs now. Oh, yeah. That looks so good. Talk about these angles. You never know which one you're not gonna get that one ever again. Now this is the worst part about making food for yourself. You have to clean things. Damn it. I don't wanna. And now it's time to plate these eggs. There is my breakfast. We got some eggs for some protein. We got some bacon for more protein. And we got a lot of fat, but that's okay. Who cares? And we got some milk to build my calcium. Give me some strong bones. He needs some milk. This is the best part of this entire breakfast. Look at that drizzle action. And where are we gonna be without some Miss Buttersworth? Look at her. She's so festive. Who is she? Ooh! Mwah. Now, it's time to eat. Yeah! As you can see, the place didn't burn down, and that is a plus. But now, I got a yummy plate of food in front of me, so I'm gonna eat right in front of you. Yeah, I'm that kind of guy. Yeah. I didn't put any salt or any pepper on them, but I don't care. And it really tastes like bacon, so do these pancakes taste good? I wonder. Oh, these are good. They are good. Thank you guys so much for joining me with my little cooking. I don't do it often because, like I said, the place might not be here if I do. But practice makes perfect. I will never be perfect no matter how much I practice, so screw that saying. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and comment down below, and definitely always subscribe, of course, because I post every Friday, and I don't want you to miss out, because things are coming. They definitely are. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you next Friday.